Hello students, hope you are doing well. Okay, today we are starting with exercise 4.2. So first question, first part is x square plus xy minus x minus y. In this also you have to take common only, but by rearranging the terms if required. Okay, if I see here, you can see y in this term also, in this term also. So let us write these two terms together and remaining two together. So without y I have x square minus x, right, and y terms plus xy minus y. I have written these two terms at the end and minus x को पहले लिख दिया, nothing. We have just rearranged the terms. Okay, now we will take common two times. In last exercise we are taking common but only in a single go, but here we'll take common two times. Okay, we'll make the pairs x square and this is x to the power 1. I have told you yesterday that we will take the smaller power as common, so I'll take x to the power 1 common, bracket x square, one part I have taken, so I have left with only single part, माइनस x टू द पावर 1 हम ऑलरेडी ले चुके हैं, तो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे 0 लिख देते हैं. नो, यू हैव टू राइट 1 हेयर. दैट मीन्स जब इसके आगे कुछ नहीं है तो 1 तो है ही, तो 1 वी हैव टू राइट हेयर. माइनस, नाउ यू आर लेफ्ट विथ प्लस एक्स वाई माइनस वाई, सो प्लस साइन इज देयर, सो आई एम राइटिंग प्लस. इन दीज टू आई कैन सी ओनली y कॉमन, जो सेम है वो क्या है, y. सो फर्स्ट टर्म y ऑलरेडी रिटन, left with x minus, now y I have already taken, so क्या आएगा यहाँ पर 1, 0 नहीं आएगा. Now in the whole you can see x, this is one term, this is another term. In whole you can see x minus 1 दोनों में है, so we'll take x minus 1 common. Okay, and in the second bracket क्या रह गया, x plus y, x plus y. So this is the answer of first part. Okay, question number 1, first part we have done. Second part you are going to do it yourself, homework. Question number 2, second part I am doing. Same we have to look for. See, q, इन दोनों टर्म्स में q है, तो हम इन दोनों टर्म्स को एंड में लिख देंगे, and the remaining terms I am writing in the front. 5p square, this is minus 10p. Okay, plus now I am writing q terms, 16q minus 8pq. आप minus 8pq को पहले भी लिख सकते थे, not an issue. Don't get confused कि कौन सी टर्म पहले आएगी. This is just rearrangement, आप कैसे भी लिख सकते हो. Now starting from the numerical part, 5 or 10. Now again we will take common from these two first and followed by these two. 5 and 10, HCF. So HCF is 5. P square, p to the power 1, smaller part, p to the power 1. Now 5 ones are 5, 1. One part I have taken, one part is left, so I am writing p here, minus 5 2s are 10, p already taken, bracket close, plus 16 and 8, HCF will be 8. Okay, q is in both, so q will also come as common. Now start, 8 2s are 16, q I have already taken, minus 8 1s are 8 and 8 1s are 8, p, q already taken, so I'm not going to write here. Okay, we have come to this step. Now this is one part and this is second part. If you can see, जो ब्रैकेट वाली टर्म है वो आपकी हमेशा सेम आएगी और हमारी सेम है भी, जस्ट अ माइनस साइन डिफरेंस. यहाँ p पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ माइनस है, यहाँ -2 है तो यहाँ +2 है, तो yesterday I have told you इस केस में हम क्या करते हैं, साइन चेंज कर देते हैं, माइनस कॉमन ले लेते हैं. सो योर सेकेंड पार्ट के हम साइंस चेंज कर देंगे. 5p p minus 2. Now I told you we will change the sign starting from outside the bracket. Minus 8q, this will become minus 2, this will become plus p. Now p minus 2, p minus 2, these two brackets are same now. ठीक है. So p minus 2 common. Now you are left with 5p minus 8q. 5p minus 8q. Answer. Okay. This is the second part. First part, you are going to do it yourself. Homework. Question number 3. First part. A square b, ab square 3a 3b. You will say कि मैम यहाँ 3 है, ab है, तो इसको rearrangement की need नहीं है. It's okay, don't rearrange. And if you will rearrange, then also the answer will come same. Let's suppose a square, here a. So a to the power 1 I have taken common. b square. So b to the power 1 I have taken common. Smaller powers को हम common लेते हैं. Now b is already there. Out of 2, 1 I have taken. So internally it will come 1 minus a already taken. Out of 2 parts, 1 I have taken. So 1 will left b. Okay. Plus. You can see the common part 3. So 3 I have taken common. Bracket. You left with a minus 3 ones are 3 b. Okay. You can see a minus b is same in both the terms. So a minus b I have taken common. Second bracket left with ab plus 3. ab plus 3. Answer. This is the first part. Second part also I am doing. Okay. देखो 3 यहाँ दो terms में है. So we will take them together. x cube plus x followed by these two terms minus 3x square minus 3. Okay. Now x cube, this is x to the power 1. क्या common आ रहा है? x to the power 1. One part I have taken, left with 2 parts. X square plus x to the power 1 already taken. So nothing is left. So I'll write 1 here. Now minus sign is there. Minus I will take. 3 common आ रहा है. 3. Here I left with x square. Now sign. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स माइनस देखेंगे और माइनस लगा देंगे. बट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, जब ब्रैकेट के बाहर माइनस साइन होता है, वी हैव टू चेंज द इंटरनल साइन. सो दिस माइनस साइन विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू प्लस साइन. ओके. मेक श्योर यू विल रिमेंबर दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. साइंस विल चेंज. माइनस प्लस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है और अगर प्लस होता है तो वो माइनस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ठीक है. नाउ 3 ones are 3. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1. वन मोर थिंग, अगर बाई चांस आप लिख भी देते हो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1, नेक्स्ट स्टेप यू विल सी कि हमारे ब्रैकेट्स तो सेम नहीं आ रहे हैं. सो फ्रॉम देयर यू विल रियलाइज कि आपने कुछ मिस्टेक किया है एंड यू कैन करेक्ट इट दैट टाइम. ओके. सो एक्स स्क्वायर 1 इज सेम. सो आई हैव टेकन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 कॉमन. नाउ आई लेफ्ट विथ एक्स माइनस 3. आंसर ऑफ योर सेकेंड पार्ट ऑल्सो. Moving to question number 4. Question number 4. See, this terms contain x as well as this term contain x. Okay. And this term, both these terms contain y. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो अरेंज करके और आप स्ट्रेट वे भी कर सकते हो. बिकॉज इसमें अगर x कॉमन नहीं भी है, a तो कॉमन है, तो हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. सो लेट अस डू बाय दिस. 3 और 6 में से HCF 3. a same है. I have taken a common. Start the bracket. I left with only x minus 3. 2s are 6. 2. A already taken. Left with y minus 8 and 4. HCF 4. B is same. So I'll take common. Bracket. Now 4. 2s are 8. B already taken. Y. Further 4 outside minus sign is there, so I need to put minus sign. Why? Because I have already told you if I'll take minus sign outside, I need to change the inner sign, so plus will be converted to minus. 4 ones are 4, b is already there, so I left with x. Now check, this is x minus 2y and this is 2y minus x. Again a sign difference, यहाँ x पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ माइनस है, यहाँ माइनस 2y है, यहाँ प्लस 2y है. सो वी विल टेक माइनस कॉमन. सारे साइंस क्या हो जाएंगे सेकेंड वाले ब्रैकेट के? चेंज. 3a x minus 2y, first bracket as it is. These will change. Minus converts to plus. This will become minus 2y. This will become plus x. Now it is same. Minus 2y plus x, minus 2y plus x. So I'll take x minus 2y common because these two brackets are same now. I left with 3a plus 4b. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 1 minus a minus b plus ab. Okay. Again, you can see that a terms in these two. So let us take those two terms together and the remaining ones together. 1, here you left with minus b minus a plus ab. These two terms. I can see here nothing is coming common. कुछ भी सेम पार्ट नहीं है, तो जिसका कुछ कॉमन नहीं होता उसका वन कॉमन तो हमेशा होता है. ब्रैकेट you left with same 1 minus b. Now minus, you can see a in both the terms, so I'll take a already taken, so left with 1. Outside minus sign is there, so inner sign will change. Plus will convert to minus. A is already there, so I need to write b only. B. Now you can say, see our bracket is same, so 1 minus b common. I left with 1 minus a. 1 minus answer. Okay. Moving to the second part. This is the bracket. As this is a basic rule, we have to open our bracket first. So let's open the bracket. A multiply by a, it will become a square minus a into 2b, 2ab minus a into c, ac plus 2bc. Again 2 is in this both the terms, so I'll take them together and the remaining terms together. A square minus ac minus 2ab plus 2bc. Okay. A square minus ac, क्या कॉमन आ रहा है दोनों में? a, because smaller power हमें कॉमन लेना होता है. Here I left with 1a minus, in this I left with c, a minus c. Minus 2 कॉमन आ रहा है, साथ साथ I can see b is also there in both the terms, so b I'll take common, right? Bracket, in this I left with only a, 2b already taken outside, so I left with a only. Now outside minus sign is there, so and again the internal sign will change, so 2b is already there, I need to write c only. Okay. Now bracket is again same, a minus c, left with a minus 2b. Answer. Okay. Moving to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6, second part. Y square minus xy bracket 1 minus x cube. Open the bracket first. Y square minus xy into 1 minus xy. Now minus xy into minus x, minus xy into minus x. When you will multiply with signs, don't forget. तो multiply में minus से minus cancel हो जाता है, so your answer will be x into x, x square y and followed by positive sign. अदरवाइज ऑल्सो आपको ध्यान रखना है कि माइनस की वजह से ब्रैकेट वाला साइन चेंज होता है. सो इट विल बी प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई माइनस एक्स क्यूब, राइट? नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट टेकिंग कॉमन. Here I can see only y to the power 1 is coming common. Here y to the power 1. In the first part I left with single y minus y already taken. So x plus. Here x square, x cube. So x square will come, smaller power will come common. Left with y minus, out of 3, 2 I have already taken outside. So left with only one part, y minus x. So y plus x square and the bracket saying y minus x. This is the factorization for this particular question. Okay. This is second part of question number 6. So first part, homework students. Moving to the question number 7, first part. This is what? AB square, open the bracket, a into b, AB minus B minus 1. ये मत कहना मैम इसका साइन क्यों नहीं चेंज किया, बिकॉज दिस इज आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट. ओके, और ब्रैकेट के बाहर पॉजिटिव साइन था, सो नो चेंजिंग ऑफ साइंस. आउट ऑफ दिस दीज टू टर्म्स ए बी इज कमिंग कॉमन. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट आई लेफ्ट विद सिंगल बी बिकॉज वन पार्ट आई हैव टेकन, वन इज लेफ्ट, प्लस ए बी इज ऑलरेडी देयर, सो प्लस 1. हम पहले फर्स्ट टू टर्म से कॉमन लेते हैं, देन last two. Okay, now minus, nothing is coming common, so 1. Internally ऐसे ही रहेगा, b minus 1. Outside minus sign, so internal sign will change, b plus 1. b plus 1 is same now, b plus 1. You left with ab minus 1. Answer. First part I have done for you. Second part you are going to do it yourself. Homework. Further questions we are going to do in the next video. Till then, do complete these questions properly and study hard. Thank you.